Today I'm making a black spruce and anise bath bomb. So it's going to be a mussel soaking bath bomb. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Diane, the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender, where I make cold processed handmade soaps, DIY bath and skincare projects, and I show you how to use and grow lavender. And I'm using 3D mold that I purchased from Kata. I'm not promoting anything from their company because I'm not sponsored by them, but I'm just using their mold. Black spruce and anise has a nice woodsy, outdoorsy scent, and it has notes of, the ending note is musk and it has a little bit of vetiver in it. So it's a nice woodsy, but it's very light, and it makes me think of Christmas. So it's a nice outdoors scent if you're walking through the forest, which is always nice. And so let's get going. This is my baking soda right here, and I'm just doing a small batch. So this is 8 ounces, and you always want to sift it. This under the mixer, and so this is not a lot. It's very little, but that's okay. I'm just testing this, and then I'm going to just mix this up just a little bit. Let's get everything combined. I'm doing a light scent with bath and body care products, especially if you're soaking in the tub. You want a light fragrance, and I'm just testing this out, so I don't want to make a big batch of it and then I'm like, ugh, I don't like this. So I'm just trying this out, and this is 0.25, so it's almost a medium strength for this batch. But I love outdoors, piney, foresty scents. Whereas sometimes these bath bombs, you know, the scent gets in your hair and it lingers. And so that's kind of nice because you have that scent with you. So I am using evening primrose extract, and I'm using that because this is really nice for dry skin. A little bit of the Kermit green, it's a bright green. And this is from Brambleberry, and I have on there that I use this for my shower steamers. It's lip and skin safe. Although I don't know why you would want to use it on your lips, but that's what it says. So this is a skin safe mica, and Brambleberry, I find their micas are good. They go right down the drain. So I'm going to do a little test. Oh yeah, it's nice and moist for sure. Oh yeah, and it drops and it holds. Squeeze it like that, and you drop it and it holds. So I'll show you. So I'm squeezing it, and that has a salt in it, so it stays. It's pretty good. Here. Okay. Okay, so this is my Arbor Press that I'm using to make the Christmas tree or tree-shaped bath bomb. And so there's my mix right there. It's all set to go. It's nice and squeezy. Hopefully it seems like it's sticking together. Hopefully it's not too dry. It is a little crumbly. Just a little crumbly. Darn it. All right, let's see if it works. Let's see if this works. Okay, so this is my mold right here. And I'm just gonna figure out what to use. Okay, let's see if this works. We don't know. And I'm not doing it on the thing, am I? That's fine. So you just loosely fill it up. You don't want to tamp it down at all. And just do the edges like this. And I'm still new to bath bombs, but I am making them all. Okay, so let's squeeze that. And then I'll put it under my Arbor Press. And it's a two-handed process. Eventually I will need to get the bath bomb press because this is really good though, but yeah, it does take some torque. Okay, right, so hopefully I got it. So I need to tap this. And that's just to get the top off, which that came off really nice. So then I'm going to tap this just a little. That looks really pretty, I have to say. I do like it. And then I'm going to press this up. Hopefully it releases. Yep. Okay, and then I'm going to slowly, it's very pretty. There we go. Hopefully, yes, okay. Come on, come on. There we go. Right, and then slowly flip it over. Oh! Okay, that one's mine. Alright, so I need to press it in. It has to be pressed in a little bit more. So every time you use it, you always want to clear out this stuff right here too. The excess. So that definitely is. I don't know if it's going to work with this mixture, because I think this mixture is made for smaller items. I don't think it's made for, this is a bigger item. Of course, you know, I can't see unless I wear my glasses. Okay, so I'm not, I think that's kind of big. I don't know if I'll fill it up that much, because I really want to squeeze this thing down. So I don't think I'm going to fill it up that much. That one's kind of big. Okay. All right, we're gonna have to redo that one totally. Did it? Oopsies. Yeah, I think it maybe still needs to be a little bit. And I'm really pressing hard. let's try it again. I think what I'll do, you're supposed to go like this, and that came right off. Yeah, it should do that. Let's see, come on. If I tap it. Aha. Okay. If this comes right off, then, and it did. Okay, well that's good. That came out well. Let's try this one again. I'm glad I did a small batch. Because whenever you're testing a recipe, it's always a good idea, I feel, to do a small batch, and then, you know, if it doesn't work out, well, you haven't lost too much in your ingredients. Oh, maybe that's it. Okay. Bath bomb press is looking really good, but oh, it's so expensive. It's $1,000. Oh my gosh. And then that's another learning curve. So I'm going to work on mastering these bath bombs, right? Before I invest. So I'm tapping this here to kind of loosen it up a little bit. And then I'm going to flip it over slowly and then just release. And a black spruce and anise, and this is really nice. This smells really good too. So I did a little flower one. And I will do a little bit of a decoration. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I paint and decorate my bath bomb. So this is the Christmas tree one, which you can see that, and I have the little flower. I think like these two here, I might use them. They dried really nice. It's pretty hard. And this is a mussel soaking variety right here. And this dried really nice. Looks good. It's a little Christmas tree. So this is the raspberry red mica, and that's from Brambleberry. That looks really nice. And then this is the Eco Glitter one. So it's a fine red Eco Glitter. It's really nice and sparkly. And I'm going to use that for the very top of it. And so I've combined that, and it kind of looks like that. And then this is a Super Sparkle White Diamond Mica Powder. And this is from Crafter's Choice, which is Wholesale Supplies Plus. And just go online to their website to find this. So it's wholesalesuppliesplus.com. And this is really light and airborne. So you want to wear a mask when you are, this will go up in the air. So you'll see little particles go up in the air, and it goes all over my stuff. So this, you want to wear a mask, but it is super sparkly. The camera's not really picking up all the glitter. So this one's really, really pretty. And I put it in, so this is in rubbing alcohol, and it is a heavy, I have a little bit of polysorbate 80 in all my mixtures, and I do that so it helps it to, and then I put it in a little, this is an old-fashioned, I sterilized everything. This is an old-fashioned salt and pepper shaker, and so this is nice to just sprinkle on top of any of my decorations. if you enjoyed this video, the next video to watch is, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.